A skydiver is falling at terminal velocity. Which row describes the acceleration of the skydiver and the velocity of the skydiver? Now, this is a real world problem, and all the problems in physics and maths are real world problems, but to approach this problem, you need to think critically, okay? Now, the skydiver is falling at terminal velocity. Now, what is terminal velocity actually? Terminal velocity is the constant velocity, okay, when someone's fall freely under the gravity, it actually accelerates towards the Earth. So see, if I have this planet Earth and if I jump from this height, I will accelerate towards Earth with 9.81 meters per second square, right? But due to the atmosphere of the Earth, the resultant force on the skydiver becomes zero. And when we know that when resultant force on the skydiver becomes zero, the acceleration becomes zero. This acceleration is due to the weight. Okay, every object has weight on the Earth due to the Earth's gravity. But when this weight, let's say if this is the skydiver or this is the skydiver, its weight will be acting downwards. But at certain level or at some point, the air resistance will be equal to its weight. Hence, the resultant force is zero. And when the resultant force is zero, this is the point when the terminal velocity is achieved. Now, the skydiver will keep on cruising at that particular velocity, which we call terminal velocity, and it will not change because the acceleration and the resultant force is zero. See, this is the concept of terminal velocity. Now we know that, okay, so which row describes the acceleration of the skydiver and velocity of the skydiver? So we know that the acceleration is zero when the terminal velocity is achieved, and the velocity will remain constant. Okay, so the correct option is acceleration is zero, and so C.